Hey, Heather from hookedonpickin.com, and I have my next bulk unboxing. It is September of 2018. Let's see what I got. All right, so I've got my bulk box here. I ordered it about 3 or 4 days ago. It cost me a total of $193.64. This one is a brand new case of sporting goods. Says swimways, Finnis, coupe, original retail $8.52. So the actual box cost me $158, and then with shipping and taxes, I'm up to $193.64, which means if I go with the 64 items that are in here, it'll cost me an average of $3.02 per item. Now I'll probably list most of these items at $3.50 because there may be a few that I just can't sell, whether I'm restricted or conditioned. So hopefully I don't have condition issues because of it being brand new. So let's get in here and see what we got. Sorry about my cough today. I'm getting over a cold. Alrighty, let's see what we got. We've got a Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse dive rings. Those are awesome. Anything Disney is always really nice to get. Little float, looks like a mermaid tail inner tube. I've got quite a few of those. There's 1, 2, good condition. I've got a rainbow one with a cloud. I've got a rainbow one with a cloud. If you watch my second video, I'll try to do a breakdown of numbers for you. Here's a little, looks like a piñata, kind of. Here's another rainbow cloud. Here's another piñata looking one. All right, these are, looks like it's all swimming stuff. Scatter dodgeball. This one is duck, dive, dodge. So this is actually a game. Set that there. Here's some more mermaid ones. More mermaid ones. Oh, awesome. There's some more Disney in here. More Disney rings. Exact same style. The nice thing about getting multiples of the same kind, especially when they're in phenomenal condition like this, is it's not going to take me any time at all to list these things. And so that's always a huge blessing. So here's another mermaid one. I've got a couple of these. These are tiny little balls, and they're called Goliath, which I think is humorous. So pink and black junior football. They're foam ones, so probably they're called Beach Junior, so they're made to go in the water. Look at this one's real heavy. This is a bike lock, a really fancy 4-number bike lock, brand new. So a lot of outdoor sporting goods stuff. Now this is kind of not strapped in as well. Oh, there we go. All right, so this is a pump, a sports pump. Inflate your tires or things like that. It looks like it straps right onto your bike is what it's showing on the picture. Here's a pro basketball hoop. Not sure. It looks like it goes on the back of a door. This is a mermaid fin. Stick your feet in there and you have a mermaid fin. That's cool. Kind of like a flipper, but I've got 2 of those. Actually, no. I've got purple ones, and I've got a pink one, and another pink one. So 2 purple and 2 pink. More diving rings, tons of these. I really hope these are worth it.
Was this uninspected returns or?
No, this was brand new. All of this was brand new products. So this is from bulq.com, a sporting goods one, brand new product. Looks like I should be able to definitely get my money's worth. Like I said, each item averages out to be a little over $3 an item. And I don't see anything that I shouldn't be able to post. Anything that I cannot post on Amazon or eBay, I will probably post, well, almost everything I'll probably post also on my website, hookedonpickin.com, which I can actually post most of these items at a much lower price simply because I don't have the overhead of fees with them. So lots of dive rings. So it looks like that's the majority of what's in the box. Ooh, I've got a couple more of these. I think I'm going to be able to get good money out of these bike locks, and they're all the same kind. As you can see, it probably used to be Target, but these are in really good condition. But yeah, go check out my hookedonpickin.com website. You should be able to find some. I guess most of what I put on my hookedonpickin.com website is brand new product, and so you're not going to find anything that's broken or used or whatever, unless it's a super highly unique piece that I think that I should put under my liquidation section. But most of it's brand new and in really good condition. Let me see what else we got. Got a badminton set. I am digging. There's more rings in there. I don't want to dig them all out. It'll take all your time. Okay, Swiss gear. This is a little kind of bag, crossbody bag. So it's got the long strap, lots of pockets. Here's the label, Swiss gear, ready for the escape. So it's got lots of different pockets for like water bottles and little things. That's an awesome travel bag, crossbody bag. So I have quite a few crossbody purses online. Here is batting gloves. Some nice black and white. These are youth size large. Let's see. Move these around here. Looks like that is it. The rest of what's in the box are dive rings. Oh, I've got this too as well. This is a Bell, like a cell phone carrier that has a case for a bunch of other things in it. So it's rather large. So you can put lots of stuff in there. So keys and your cell phone. You can strap your cell phone on the front end here so that you can touch your cell phone, and then you can put your keys and other little things inside of it, and then it straps right on to your bike or your arm. Or top tube phone bag is what it's called. So so really, really impressed with this box. I really, really like it. Like I said, a little over $3 per item. I'm going to put some of it on my hookedonpickin.com website, so check that out. If you haven't also found out, I also have a Hooked on Pickin Facebook page, and I really love the interaction I've been getting from people. So please go ahead and comment, send me a message. You'll get an automated response as soon as you send a message, but I always go on there and check and try to answer you. And so if you like this video, go ahead and hit the notification button, subscribe. I'd love to have you as one of my viewers. And watch for part 2. I'm going to break all this down and tell you exactly where I think I'm going to sell each one of the items and for about how much. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.